Ding Dong River saying big up Petagaye Life YouTube channel out there without fear. Man shoulder fear fling. Dancing gotta say big up to Bogolo out there, Ravers.
Respect.
Right now I'm in downtown Kingston. I might do some Christmas shopping right now. Might buy some stuff for you guys. But we're doing the my name? What is the name? The park? What the park name? I don't remember the name of this park downtown, but I'm gonna show you guys and stuff. Mandela Park? No, Mandela Park or Tree. So that's what we're doing right now. So yeah, just leave work and stuff. And then here's you, I'm a friend. After I bought some clothes and stuff there, I went to the Coronation Market, Jamaica Coronation Market, and I got Sorrel. So some what do you call it again? I went to the market side here, and a vendor was selling some Sorrel, so I just stopped by and asked for £2 of Sorrel. £2, yeah?
Yes, darling.
Drive, brother, drive.
I'm bash now, I buy some jug, so I make some Sorrel, I want some juice, another jug here, but that one I look big enough. One alone can do it. So I want to say, what the price there? Pink is my favorite color. So in Bashford they have a variety of stuff. All this you guys can even like when you guys are traveling. We will want a storage. We can put any stuff in there. So yeah, there's the cashier. You can do his glass there. So yeah. I'm a little bit festive, not much, but them just feel festive about them for Christmas, something. So, yeah, having a baby and stuff like that. You can buy a baby thing. You want a stroller, cupboard and stuff. So them real festive and thing on TV. And then some of them just me YouTube video and panel big one. the fun of
I'm
testing.
going to phone. I'm going to
Well testing.
Are you hearing me?
You know?
Yes. Please don't catch me. It's quite fine. Take my voice on that way. You need a little barbecue sauce.
Yeah, barbecue, ketchup, pepper, everything.
Alright, darling. So while you're videoing, you're supposed to tell me about the taste on the video.
Sure, I can give the feedback. Down the road, I get jerry chicken back, jerry chicken neck. So, but it's there. I'm teaching. Too tired. And today I'm going to get some stuff, but I'll do maybe tomorrow. So, be nice. So we'll reach home, I guess. So that was it. That was our. We got the chicken back for like $200 down the road, guys. It was so peppery, full of juices and spices, guys. That was good. And we only got that for $200. Like, yeah. So, I have something to say now. Oh yeah, if you guys want to see any other videos, like for seeing that you guys love the Q&A what me and Chin did, if you want to see any other videos or challenges you want me and Chin to do, just comment below. We can test them out for you guys, and it's vlog one, so why not? So yeah, thank you so much again, you guys. I don't know how to tell you guys. I really do appreciate it for the love and support, seeing you guys in person. Sometimes I see a lot of you guys now, but sometimes I'm so in the moment when I get for flag it. But big up on yourself, big up everybody who must say, yo, what a nice that, like. So big up on yourself. Don't be afraid. Even though I might be on the road just not smiling, but look, from when I say Petagaye, I'm gonna always be smiling, okay? If you see Chin on the road, yell Chin, say Chin, what go on? If you see me say Petagaye, you got yell on the seat. So right there, I'm gonna just end the vlog. And I have a vlog tomorrow, tomorrow again. So thanks you again so much. Let's see you guys in the next upload. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And tell a friend to come over to Petagaye's Life, because you know what's say New Year right around the corner. New things, everything just go come. Everything will come out. So I'm just happy trying to so. Bye. See you guys later. The lighting I can bye.